my mother called me. My mom thinks that will happen on this call. Number one, she will record you. Number two, she will use it and send to those that believing that she is their mini God. I told my mother said it does not matter. That what she did is what she needed to do. Now, what did you guys discuss according to what my mother told me? What did you discuss with this woman? She said, nene dogalaga one negi wine. Iwonye bole. Kishagi wonye oki igwe. Ya shigi o. Na ya wumbo owere. Na ya webu na she from ebu. Na nene kaga one negi na regala. Ya joge nene dogalaga one negi ah. You did not respond that you came to a line, molested me, insulted me, you called me all manner of names. You made 4 good videos where you was insulting me, calling me Inieji, calling me Onoya, even rejoicing that people made my mother rest in peace. You said it in your videos. You rejoiced that the same woman that you spoke to that very day, that said that rest in peace, you justified the rest in peace said that in my mother. I have evidence. Actually, I will break everything down in pieces. You started the bullying. You started harassing me. You started threatening me. You started telling me, do you look like a queen? Do you look like a queen? Look at me. You don't have what it takes. Ogechi, you have an ugly character. Ogechi, you look like a baboon. Ogechi, you are Ngakagagano. Ogechi, you look like a baboon. You don't have what it takes to go to Queen Palace. You're not supposed to be answering Queen. It's all about jealousy, envy. That is it. Because I don't know you. I don't know what you want from me. Because since I've been on this blue app, you are the one that stepped on my toes. You are the one that will still cry. When that person all of you came after me. All of you guys that are still crying now. Man, with baggages and baggages in your closets. But you guys will still come after me. Then when I reciprocate, go and search your conscience. Whether that you came to my house, not on my door. I opened the door. You slapped the fuck out of me. You even threatened me in my own residence. I did not come for you. I did not look for your trouble. You personally, you intentionally. Obviously, you came after me for no just cause. And you are the same person who made my mother. Need develop BP. So, I did not develop BP because you don't get to what you don't have the mind and the heart to carry your accessories of hate and wickedness of souls. He went all the capability, but you want to come and tap on my matter. I don't know fucking you. Everything you go and make peace with them. Anything I say, I don't refer to you, I don't notice you. You don't exist in my dictionary. I don't know who the fuck you are, but you keep stepping on my toes because you want to come and showcase. Abraham Binango, the last person you ever step on her toes. You won't like me. You will never like me because I got it too easy. Those people that were busy clapping for you do not agree. That's all like Igbo. That useless all like Igbo that you want to record here. About Simon Car or Simon Law. How to deal with Ogechi. Oh my God. You know, that's why I'm reserving my speech. Because when I keep saying stuff, many things keep coming out. All your conspiracy, how you guys were recording on a police officer, telling them how to deal with Oge. I have all of those things in stock. In the court of law, don't be surprised because he will come back to hunt all of you. Now, the conversation you had with my mother, that my mother is a peaceful soul. Go and verify. About the deed, okay? Sorry, don't about the deed, Joko. My mother is a peaceful soul. Ona ha chonso mama age. Giruna Chicago today do about a deed, okay? She is a peaceful soul. On there are The reason why my mother reached out to you, because all women know how Nigerians operate. And one hundred in Nigeria, 1 million of people may arise. Yeah, watch the video. My mother watched the video. How you guys sent thousands of men to come and arrest me. My mother watched it. Oh, my mother, oh, heart. Okay, she will feel for me. Whether me the highest connection or not, she will still make the move so make it. Oh no, why didn't my husband reach out to her? Why didn't but my mother that reached out to you, no stupid idiots? You still came out to insult her because she reached out for peace. All of you will gather. Family. When my mother called, what did you do? You guys begin to chastise her. You wrote that useless thing you wrote. If you don't bring out that conversation you had with your mother, you stupid thing. So because of my mother reach out to you, and my sister happened to be there at that day, my uncle, my uncle, my phone called my uncle to my phone. I didn't know how it happened because I was not there. The conversation you guys had was with your sober mind, with your reflection sober mind, that now bara go Ogechi ko hapuga na ma pozilaga na me na gige develop OBP, that you have gone into depression over and over again because of Ogechi. That in the same thing you confess to chief pilots. You my mother should go okay, so one go even my mother now my mama get Njaka. Now I got be holiday to see how soft and how peaceful my mother is. Yeah, but I'm here again. Now you make mama get this woman get record to sit for 15 minutes fame online, to do buga, to walk around like one direction. I told my mother, did you know that this thing will happen? Mom, show you matter home. Mom also let record where I am in a hair pushing. Now again, where the temerity only upon him a bed, Adam increase. You want to buga, you want to showcase your power because we are praising you. Do not agree. Do not agree on what? Somebody that look for my trouble. Do not agree that you slapped a child and expect the child not to cry, that you push a child to the wall and you expect that child not to react. You will hire those prostitutes, those low life thinking nobody. Common 100,000 can buy. Common 10,000, 20,000 recharge card can buy to come and fight for your rubbish fight. Oh. I can educate you. But when you will feel it back to back. Mark my words. Makachi. Cheraka Warombo. If I feel my chona coming with him, you was busy crying to my mother that Natura come not Ogaha. Now my saga they make BP, now my saga they make blood pressure, now my saga confusion that you nearly lost your marriage in this saga. Right? Then you still had the audacity to be poking me. You want me to keep you out of my saga, but you are poking me. You're looking for my trouble. You keep using your knife to stab me, and you felt that you want to use me and climb. It's an inge one name of an baka. Now I'm baka. You think you will subdue me? You think you will make the first video you made this that you will contact American military? Oh my God! Oh, people, if you don't reach out to that American military that you're using to threaten my husband, oh, because of that 15 minutes time, no place will contain you and I. Watch and see. That's the nature. That war you are clamoring for. That beast you want to get out of me. You have it coming. And you have me to contend with. Wait, I guarantee that you missed your luck. You missed your fucking luck. I am a story monarchy. People don't know nothing. I'm a story monarchy. I'm a call everything that happened to. Come on, but if you keep poking me, if you keep stepping on my toes, Ogechi Nigeria, and go repagina go worse. If you don't fucking mind your business and leave me the fuck alone, I don't know who the fuck you are. You keep going to make a 20 years to deal with it. Keep adding, I will increase it to 40 years. You bastard, you nobody. Chineke okwago okun. Ade no la ba mani muni akugbo kwage. Olo su many muni won kwa kugbo kwage. Me thunder strike. Wanyo. Even that thing hatching when here will now opegi otulegi. Don't worry, I got all the details in my hands. I got all the fucking details in my hand. Like I told you, learn from Very Dark Man, D1 and Nedu. You see how Very Dark Man dish out D1 by the side. He does not even notice that D1 exists. That is exactly what I will do to this your charlatans. This your hoodlums, this your hungry beggars, these fools, these prostitutes, these single mothers that have nothing to offer, thinking Ogechi will make them rich, thinking when they lie and come out alive, Ogechi, oh my goodness, you guys are damaged in your fucking filthy brain. Well, hate to make you believe anything. Hate to make you start dancing to a stupid tone. Mark my words. Look at one, useless second. Filled with miserable and disabled and damaged fellow people. Chichi Francisca, wait for me. I will reply you in due time. You old fool, wait for me. You will hear from me. Don't worry, relax. I know I choose my fight, and you're one of my fight I will choose. Useless single mothers. Useless idiots that couldn't respect their matrimonial home. Okay, check it, baby. Because I expose your old fool. On the channel, Bien, Igbo use ihe between Very Dark Man, D1, and the Nedu. And learn your lesson. That is what will happen to you guys. I will choose my fight, and I fight to finish. Fools.